Hi everybody, this is Aaron Burgoyne from Spotlight Accounting. Today I wanted to do a video on the different versions of QuickBooks that are available and the discounts that Intuit offers, and then also talk about what many pro advisors will offer as wholesalers of QuickBooks subscriptions. Now, so this is the QuickBooks website. Their sales website through Intuit. Intuit is the company that makes QuickBooks. They also have other products like Mint or TurboTax, among others. And so they have several different versions of QuickBooks. Their most popular one, which is the one that I use personally, is the QuickBooks Online Plus version. And they're actually doing a sale today. This is February 22nd, 2019. Today, they have a sale that ends where you can get QuickBooks for 70% off for 3 months, which is pretty good. So the QuickBooks Plus would go down to $18 a month for 3 months, and then back up to $60 for going onward. Okay, so the different types of QuickBooks, there's the Simple Start, the Essentials, the Plus, and Self-Employed. These three are all the same, they're all in the same structure of software. So you can start with Simple Start, and it doesn't have as many features in it. It's just things to get you started, a Simple Start. So you can start with Simple Start, and then you can move up to Essentials and move up to Plus as you feel like you need additional features. It's very basic. The Simple Start, you can track your income and expenses, you can save invoices, and send invoices, maximize your tax deductions, run reports, track sales tax, simple things. The Essentials has everything that Simple Start does, but you can also manage bills, you can have multiple users, up to 3 users, and you can track time. The QuickBooks Online Plus has everything that Simple Start and Essentials has, plus you can track projects, track inventory, and manage 1099 contractors. Now the self-employed version it's a different format than the other three. And if you use QuickBooks Self-Employed, you cannot upgrade to one of the other ones simply. You would have to pretty much start over if you were to move from Self-Employed to the others. So if you have a side business, or if your business is pretty simple and you think it's going to stay simple and stay just you, and that you don't think you'll be using any of these fancy bells and whistles, it may be best for you to just have Self-Employed and keep Self-Employed. The Self-Employed version, it can connect to TurboTax. So if you select the TurboTax Self-Employed package, you can import all your expenses from QuickBooks Self-Employed, and it just goes directly into TurboTax. So you don't have to do adding and sorting and recategorizing. So that's one benefit of the QuickBooks Self-Employed. One benefit also is that it doesn't have bells and whistles that you may not use. If there are a lot of things that I haven't discovered how to use yet in QuickBooks Plus. One thing I wanted to mention, though, that Self-Employed has that the others don't is the ability to track miles. I'm not sure why they don't have that as a feature on the others, but I guess I figured that it's mostly self-employed people that track the miles. But even if you do decide to do one of these other ones, not self-employed, there are simple apps that you can have to help you keep track of miles, or you can just keep it in Excel like I do. So as I said, right now they're doing a sale, which by the time you see this video may not be in place. Normally, they always have it at 50% off. So 50% for self-employed, it's $5 a month, $30 a month for plus, $17.50, maybe they round up to round down to 17, I'm not sure. And then $10 a month for Simple Start. You can do the discount for 3 months and then pay full price after that. Or if you do this little toggle right here, you can get a free trial for 1 month and then full price starting the 2nd month. So that's kind of cool. The let's see, what else was I going to mention? Oh, payroll. Payroll is billed separately. If you have employees and want to do payroll through QuickBooks, you can. There's 2 different versions of it. There's the self-service payroll, where you do more of the work, and but QuickBooks just provides the means of doing it. Or there's the full-service payroll, where QuickBooks basically does everything, and that's available at the same price whether you have the Simple Start package, the Essentials package, or the Plus package. There's also the QuickBooks Advanced, which is something that I haven't explored a lot yet. It's pretty new. It just came out, I think, a month ago. I haven't done a lot of research into what additional things you can do, but I'd imagine it's pretty much QuickBooks Online Plus on steroids. So, but we'll have to see about that. It's a brand new version of QuickBooks. So I mentioned before about QuickBooks Pro Advisors. Pro Advisors are people who have gone through a QuickBooks certification. For example, I took some classes through QuickBooks and became QuickBooks Online certified. So I am a QuickBooks Pro Advisor. They will often discount any of these, just like how QuickBooks will offer discounts for a limited time. For example, I offer things for a limited time. I do the 50% off, not just for 3 months, but for a whole year before moving on. Actually, that's only for the QuickBooks Online Plus that I have that for. 50% off for a whole year for QuickBooks Online Plus. And that's useful for people who are just getting started. You know, they want to keep their costs minimal. And so I wanted to give that additional benefit to those people who are self-employed or who want to keep their costs low. And let's see. So yeah, many Pro Advisors will do it, but mine it's $30 a month for QuickBooks Online Plus, and then whatever the retail price is after that. They do raise their prices every once in a while, like most products. You know, up until recently, I think QuickBooks Online Plus was $50 a month. They changed it last year, I think, to $60 a month. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful for you to in selecting a product. What is important, though, is that if you do decide to go through a Pro Advisor and try to get a discount through a Pro Advisor, it has to be a new subscription. So if you purchase one of these subscriptions straight from Intuit and then add a Pro Advisor to your account who can help you with the books, they most likely will not be able to give you a discount at that point. So talk to a Pro Advisor first, see what discounts they have, see if you can purchase your subscription through them, and they may be able to get you a better discount than QuickBooks will. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Again, my name is Aaron Burgoyne. I hope to do more of these videos, and see you later.